I am so close to trying to get this thing going. The engine's all back together, looks perfect. Like I said, I took my time, everything's in there good. But the battery was dead. I hooked it up last night and then I guess it drained. So I gotta charge it. Getting the wheels on and everything, so I got the new CV axle in. I had the car all put back together, off the jack stands, all ready to roll. And then it just kept clicking. It wouldn't turn over, so I had to take the starter back out, and I think I gotta go get it tested. I'm almost positive it just gave up the ghost. It's an old original starter. But yeah, everything got back together really nice. And I even got a new fuel pressure solenoid. Well, let's bring the starter and get it tested. It was the original 30-year-old starter. I thought it would work, but I guess I'll get it tested. And here's the new starter that just came in the mail today, so we'll be getting her in the car, right? Right, Alex?
Yep, and it has been a very long time since I...